Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete recently viewed items on eBay. Let's get started. Open your eBay app. As you can see, we are logged into our accounts. So what you need to do is scroll down and tap on See All besides recently viewed items. As you can see, all the items that you have viewed recently are here. So now if you scroll through it and tap on one of the items, after there is no option to remove them. So you need to go back to this page and then tap on edit on the top right corner. After that, you can select whatever you want. Scroll through here as well, you can see there is no option to remove them. This way we can check multiple items. You will notice that you have no option to select all. If you want to delete all of them, now I'm selecting one by one. Then tap on delete button on the top right corner. As you can see, the selected items have been deleted from recently viewed items on eBay. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to